Yes. 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 The LeBron 20s. I can't believe I have these in my hands right now. You do not understand how much I went through to get these. First of all, I'm in Portugal right now, and I have a weird address, so I entered the wrong address, had to get it shipped somewhere else, and I finally got them. But enough with all that talking. I know y'all want to see the LeBron 20 olive green. Let's get it. Size 12. At first, I wanted the LeBron 20, the purple ones, but they were sold out, so I couldn't get those. But I'm happy with these. I don't even care. I just need some new hooping shoes. Strive for greatness. You see it. You see the box. You see it. Oh, yeah. That joint. Got the signature right here. LeBron 20. You see it. Oh, my goodness. We about to go ham. Pink box. Hope I got the right shoe. Can I take this all the way off? We are today. Pink. Ooh, sheesh. I got my fiance being a fan right now. But here you go. Dang. Look at this, bro. Comes with that. Comes with a little card right here. Comes with like the dang, this joint nice. Cushion, carbon fiber footprint, like a whole model of the shoe. Look at that. That's crazy. These are the most expensive basketball shoes that I got, like $219 euros. Whoo! I'll give y'all a look what I got. Oh, look at that. Oh, you want to see it? Oh, no, you doing your own thing. Woo! Suede, they feel authentic. Now, I play professional basketball for those who don't know, and my team's color is yellow. It doesn't even matter. I think these will go with it, for real. But, oh my goodness, man. I can't wait to feel how these feel on court, like the grip, the weight. I'm actually about to go try these on tonight. But these joints look crazy though. I'm gonna give y'all like a, look at that. Got the back. These joints is hard, bro. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I do like this though too. I like this, how the Nike sign comes out a little bit. Like it actually is 3D, you know what I mean? But can't wait to try these out, see how they feel. Just wanted to do a little unboxing like I do. These are nice. Inside of the shoe. Go copy y'all some LeBrons. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I'll see y'all next time.